Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize security settings for your Robinhood account, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize security settings for your Robinhood account, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access account settings. Scroll down to find the Security section and tap on it. In the Security section, you will see several security options available. To enhance your account security, start by enabling two-factor authentication. Tap on two-factor authentication and follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. You will need to provide a mobile number for the SMS or use a third-party authentication app. After you choose your preferred method, verify the code sent to your device. Once verified, two-factor authentication will be activated. Next, consider setting a unique password if you haven't already. In the Security section, look for the Change Password option. Enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. After changing your password, check whether you've selected security questions. If not already set, choose questions and answers that are memorable but hard to guess. Review any authorized devices shown in your account settings. Remove any unfamiliar or unrecognized devices from this list. Finally, confirm that your email address is correct and up to date. This ensures you receive important security alerts and notifications. After completing these steps, your Robinhood account will have stronger security settings in place. Be sure to periodically review your security settings to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.